Imagine that you decide today, not 10 years from now, but today, that you want to stop trading your time for money. You sit down with a piece of paper and you start writing. What do you spend every month? Rent, food, transportation, healthcare, little extras here and there. Let's say it all adds up to $3,000 a month. That's $36,000 a year. If you could somehow build a system that generates that income without you showing up to work, you would technically be retired. Not rich in the sense of private jets and yachts, but rich in the sense of time, freedom, and control. That is the target we are aiming for. But how do you get there? The answer sits in compounding, the force that makes money grow, the force that'll grow on its own. Compounding is often explained with charts and graphs, but let me give you the simple picture. Imagine planting a tree. In the first year, it is small, fragile, and gives no fruit. You water it, protect it, and it feels like nothing is happening. In the second year, still small, maybe 1 or 2 fruits. But by year 5, branches are spreading, the trunk is thicker, and suddenly you have dozens of fruits. By year 10, it's a tree you could sit under. That's compounding. The early years feel painfully slow, but the later years explode with growth, and this is where most people quit too soon. They invest for 2 or 3 years, see little results, and assume it doesn't work. But those who push through the quiet years are the ones who eventually wake up to find that the tree is feeding them without effort. Now, imagine if in addition to time, you invested a large sum of money. How much sooner you could retire. And you can do this thanks to YouTube, because YouTube is on easy mode now. And it explodes all the channels that do things well. In our next video, we're going to answer the one question that can change your financial future forever. How much money do you really need to retire in just 10 years? By the end of that video, you'll know whether retiring in 10 years is possible for you, and if it is, exactly what you need to start doing today. Don't skip it. That next video could save you years of unnecessary work and thousands of dollars in financial mistakes. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Your future self will thank you for watching it all the way to the end.